Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss question number 20 in exercise 6.3. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Here you want to find the equation of the normal. First what we need? Slope of the tangent. Using the slope of the tangent you want to find slope of the normal. Then you should move to the equation of the normal. Equation of the line. Normal in the sense line. What is one point slope form? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? You have to recall what are the things you want to do, that you have to decide first, then you should enter into the solution part. Here curve equation is given, you want to differentiate. What do you want to do first? Yeah, very good, you want to differentiate. Solution. The given curve equation is ay square equal to x cube. You are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So what can you get in the left side? 2ay into dy by dx equal to 3x square. The derivative of x power n concept you are using. What it is? Yeah, anyone? Yeah, very good. Derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Now, we'll pass. You keep dy by dx alone in the left side. The rest of the thing carry over to the right. dy by dx equal to 3x square divided by 2ay. Here it is given as the point am square and am cube. That you are going to substitute in dy by dx in the place of x and y. Now, which implies dy by dx at am square comma am cube. So your coordinates. X should be replaced by am square, y should be replaced by am cube. That is the meaning, which is equal to 3 into am square the whole square divided by 2a into am cube, which is equal to, that is dy by dx equal to 3a square m power 4 divided by 2a square m cube. Here a square cancel, m cube m power 4 is there. So finally what you arrive? 3m by 2. This is your m, that is slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent. Dy by dx is represented your slope of the tangent. That should be represented by m, which is equal to 3m by 2. Then you read the question again. They are expecting slope of the, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. That means we need slope of the normal. Using slope of the tangent only, you are going to find slope of the normal. Yeah, anyone you have to say how to find slope of the normal? Yeah, very good. Slope of the normal equal to reciprocal of slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol, or minus 1 by dy by dx. What is your dy by dx here? Minus 1 by 3m divided by 2. which is equal to, the 2 will move to the numerator. So minus 2 divided by 3m. What is your slope of the normal now? Minus 2 by 3m. Now you have slope of the normal. The point is there, am square and am cube. You want to find equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal, 1 point slope form. You have to recall. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. What it is? Y minus y1 equal to m. Here your slope of the normal be denoted as m1. So m can be replaced by m1 into x minus x1. Now y minus am cube equal to minus 2 divided by 3m into x minus am square. Your x coordinate is am square, your y coordinate is am cube. Then you are going to simplify. You use 3m, you use 3m and cross multiply. What you will get? 3my minus 3am power 4 equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. Now you are going to shift all the term to the left side. What it gives you, you see, plus minus 2x which become plus 3my minus 3am power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. It represents what? Equation of the normal. This is the required equation. What it shows you, what form it represents. Yeah, very good. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you see the equation of the normal is 2x plus 3my minus 3am power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0 is the required equation. Is the required equation. Right? Again, I'm going to teach you. You people should listen carefully. Right? Now you see the curve equation is given as a y square equal to x cube. You are differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. You arrived dy by dx equal to 3m by 2, right? That means 3x square by 2ay. In the place of x, you substitute am square. In the place of y, you substitute am cube. Finally, you arrived 3m by 2. That is your slope of the tangent, right? M should be represented as slope of the tangent. Already in the answer also you have m. You should not confuse yourself, right? Slope of the tangent should be represented by small m. That only I written here, right? Slope of the tangent equal to 3m by 2. Using slope of the tangent, you found slope of the normal, right? Slope of the normal means the reciprocal of slope of the tangent with opposite symbol, that is minus 2 by 3m. Equation of the normal, y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. Because slope of the normal be denoted as m1, so I used m1 here. General format is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then you substitute the value of y1 and x1 as am cube and am square respectively. m1 as minus 2 by 3m, then using 3m you cross multiply, then you arrived 3my minus 3am power 4 equal to minus 2x plus minus into minus 2am square. Then you shift all the terms to the left side. You arrived 2x plus 3my minus 3am power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. It represents your equation of a normal. It looks like your general format as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Thank you, children.